Well, it's been some time since you've seen me on this channel. I want to pop in here and talk to you for a little bit, kind of give you an update on things. The last video I put out on this channel has been about 5-6 months ago, and some of you may be wondering where I've been. I've been wondering that myself. Well, long story short is I've just been primarily focusing on my main channel, JP Videos. The secondary channel I created strictly just for my photography hobby. I have no inclination of making it a full-time channel, but it's something that I started so I could share my photography hobby with those who also enjoy and appreciate my photos. When I did start the channel, my goal was to put out bare minimum 1 video per month, as many as maybe 3-4 videos per month. And it started off really well. I was doing photo walks, lens tutorials, camera tutorials, different special effects you could do with playing with different settings on the camera, and it's been a great response. I've been happy with the feedback and the views and everything else for just having such a new secondary smaller channel. I have no complaints about it. The problem I ran into though is that I basically went through my whole plan of what to film for this channel. I did the photo tutorials, camera tutorials. There aren't really many more of those I could do, other than just getting creative of showing you different things you could do, special effects. But from the feedback I got when I asked on my community post is that most people that do watch this channel and my videos on this channel like the photo walks, the photo tours. And it's pretty much me just going out to a location, bringing you along and capturing photos along the way. I still want to do that. The problem I'm running into is what to do, because I've covered a lot already. I've done a car show, I've done an amusement park, Knoebels, I've done a fair, I've done nature, I've done city walks, I've done a good variety of things so far. And although I do have a few more things I can do, I don't want to repeat the same stuff. I don't want it to be repetitive or boring or stagnant. So I did take a hiatus unintentionally, and this channel did kind of creep back into my mind saying, hey, I think I need to not forget about it for too long and get things going again. So my plan right now, and I'm not saying it's a goal, it's just a plan, I'd like to get back to putting out at the bare minimum 1 video per month. If it's anything more than that, that's just a bonus, but I'd like to do 1 video per month. I already have a location in mind for my next photo walk, but what I'm asking from you guys, those who do like this channel, like the photo walks, like the photography I do share, is please give me your input as to what you'd like to see for photo walks. I have no problem going to similar style locations I've done already, like different cities or small towns. I could even do rail trails, I could do museums, I could do other car shows, other special events. I'm open to a wide variety of things. When it comes to my photography, I'm not closed-minded. I like to photograph anything that seems photo-worthy, whether it be people, stationary objects, nature, whatever it may be, I'm open to it. And I'd like to bring you along as well. So I plan on doing my next photo walk within the next few weeks. So the next video you should see should be out in a month or less from this video here. But I am looking forward to your feedback. If I don't get any, then I'll just have to get creative on my own, do what I feel is necessary. If there are any other camera tutorials I'd like to do, since I am a Nikon guy, I do shoot with the Nikon D5600. I have 3 primary lenses I shoot with. If you want any other demonstrations or situations that I can maybe present to you guys on how to create things like nighttime photo shoots, hear a train, some of that misty waterfall effects, other things like that. There were other things I could do, but I'm going based on the feedback of doing photo walks and photo tours. Now, even though I haven't put out a video on here for several months, I've still been going out taking photos. I've been going to certain locations just because I enjoy it, but they weren't really lengthy locations, things that were worthy of a video. I just went out to snap a few photos here and there at some small events and some bike rides I went on. So I've still been taking photos, been sharing them on my Facebook page, but I haven't done any videos for this channel, but I am going to change that within the next month. So hopefully this answers any questions you may not have had. I just wanted to bring everyone up to speed and to let you know that this channel is not going anywhere anytime soon. I just need to get back into my creative spirit and start putting out some photo walks and things that you may be looking forward to watching based on your feedback. So thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you behind the camera real soon.